Hi friends, my name is Supti and I welcome you all into my world of fashion, makeup and skincare. Today in this video, I have done this Indian wedding guest makeup look and I really enjoy doing this kind of makeup look with a certain kind of Indianness to it. So if you guys want to know that how I have achieved it, then please continue watching. I got time. For the primers today I've used this two combination, that is, one is the Smashbox Primerizer and another one is the MAC Strobe cream in the shade Pink Light. I really love working on these two combinations. It really makes my makeup look healthy and glowing. It's so beautiful, you and me. For the eyebrows today I'm using this DIPBROW pomade in the shade Ebony. With the help of a spoolie I'm brushing the strays into place and then I'm filling in with the colors. Any type of special occasions I always reach out for this particular pomade. Now lately I'm loving this lip primer from Clinique. It really helps to combat the dryness from the lips. From a distance you can tell. Before applying the foundation, I'm using today an orange corrector. This is from LA Girl Pro and I'm working this wherever there is certain kind of unevenness or blemishes. So I'm dabbing this with my finger and after this I will be applying the foundation so all will get blended very well. In the great outdoors, forever. For the foundation today I'm using this Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Foundation in the shade 270. I really love this foundation. With the help of a damp beauty blender from Real Techniques, I'm using this foundation. This beautifully sets on to the face. It's a high coverage foundation and one of my favorite foundation from the high end. I have already done a full review regarding this foundation in my channel, so I will link that video in my description box so you guys can check that out. And this particular foundation, after it sets in, it gives an airbrush look to your makeup, which I really love it. Best dupe for this foundation in the drugstore version, which I feel is the Wet n Wild foundation. For the concealer today I'm using this erase paste from Benefit and lately I'm also enjoying this product so much. I'm using this with my finger and then blending it with the same damp Real Technique blender. This beautifully gets blended onto your skin and I really love the glow which it brings after applying it. Forever free. So you can see the glow which it gives and I really love this kind of glow. Now I'm also using this concealer around my mouth, on the nose and also on the forehead, and I'm blending in the same way with the Real Technique blender. I will also use this concealer as my primer for the eyeshadow, so this will act as a base for the eyeshadow. Now in order to lock the concealer into my face, I'm using this Bye Bye Pose powder from IT Cosmetics. I'm blending this on my eyelid and also onto the T-zone area where I'm prone to get oily at the end of the day. So for the bronzer today I'm using this Benefit Hoola bronzer. This is one of my staple bronzer to use it during summers. I'm using this on my forehead, on my nose, on my cheekbone and also under the jawline. Like a bird on a tree. For the blush today I'm using this peachy coral shade from L'Oreal Enchanted Paradise and this is in the shade Just Curious, the perfect shade to use during summers. For the eyeshadow today, I'm using this particular palette from Dose of Colors, and at first I'm taking this brown color shade as my crease shade, which is called as Churro. So with an angular brush, I'm using this color onto my crease. Next, I will be taking this brick color shade, which is called as Girl Bye, and with an angular brush, I am only concentrating this onto the end of my eyelid, and then with a clean fluffy brush, I will be blending this color well. Now this has become one of my favorite palette lately. I just can't get my hands off from this palette. And for the shimmer, I will be using this color called Try Me, and I will be using this with my fingers only onto the center of my eyelid, and you can see the pigmentation. So again, with that same clean fluffy brush, I will be blending all together very well. Take a step back. For the eyeliner today, I'm using this felt tip eyeliner from Clinique, and this is like a perfect daily wear eyeliner. It's so easy to work with, and I'm really loving this. Next, for my lower waterline, I will be going ahead with my L'Oreal Infallible Nude pencil, and then I will be using a kajal pencil from Wet n Wild. In the great outdoors, forever free. With a flat brush, I will be taking this brick color shade again, and I will be using this onto my lower waterline. Then after curling my lashes, I will be using one of my favorite Essence Lash Princess mascara for both of my lashes, and I again will be using that brick color shade called Girl Bye onto the end of my eyelid, just to intensify the colors, and then again we'll be blending all the colors together with that same clean fluffy brush. For the highlighter, I'll be using this Diamond Glow powder from Artiste Couture, and I'm so much loving this. This is a perfect highlighter to use in this kind of occasion, and I also will be using this under my brow bone and also onto the inner corner of my eyes. And finally, for the lip shade, I will be using Dose of Colors Talk is Chick shade, and this is the perfect pinkish reddish color. And finally, we'll be locking everything with my Wet n Wild setting spray. And finally completed this makeup look by wearing these big earrings, this traditional sari and a bindi. Let me know in the comment section what are your thoughts regarding this particular makeup look. Till then, all of you take care, consider subscribing my channel, and I will be coming up with another video very soon. Bye bye. I got time.